In this example, we want to show that the curvature of a circle with radius r is 1 over r. Okay. And because we have r as a vector, I'll use the uppercase r, and k will be 1 over r, like so. So how we go about doing this? Well, the vector expression, the vector function of a circle is a plane curve, so we are talking about 2 dimension, right? It's not well, we can have a circle in space, but let's simplify it and let's talk about a 2D circle. So it will be r cosine t I plus r sine t j, okay? And t will go, in this case, t goes from 0 to 2 pi. Is it? I think 0 to pi is enough here, if you remember. No, it was 0 to 2 pi. So, what is the unit tangent vector? Well, it will be r prime of t divided by its magnitude. What is the magnitude of r prime? Well, r prime by itself is negative r sine t I, and then plus r cosine tj, right? And if you find the magnitude, then you have r squared sine squared plus r squared cosine squared, or simply the square root of all of these. So the square root of r squared. So we're going to simply we divide by r, and therefore t will be negative sine ti plus cosine tj, like so. So what is k? Well, k, again defined as t prime, the magnitude of t prime divided by the magnitude of r prime. So if this is t, the derivative of t is negative cosine minus sine. So negative cosine ti minus sine tj. But if you look at the magnitude of the derivative, it's negative sine squared plus cosine squared, or take it back, negative cosine squared plus the quantity negative sine squared, which in any event is going to be 1. So I can write it as the magnitude of negative cosine ti minus sine tj, and the magnitude of r prime, we already know that it's r, right? So we have 1 here, and actually we can go and finish it here with 1 over r. How will we interpret this result? Okay. Given 2 circles, circle 1 is smaller than circle 2, What can you tell about the curvature of circle 1 and circle 2? Which one is larger? Curvature of circle 1 is larger. The smaller the circle, the greater its curvature. And think about it. Large circle, if you take an autoclave on the circle, it will be flatter. It will be closer to a line, to a straight line, than a small circle. So you can see, because it's the radius and the curvature have inverse relation, so they're inversely proportional. So you can see that a note here, the curvature of smaller circle is larger than the curvature of larger circle.